We need to discuss about increase percent formula and decrease percent also. Sometimes in multiple choice or one mark or two mark. Increase percent formula means, for example, increase by original into 100. Increase by original into 100. Means what? What is this increase by original into 100? I by O. For example, Ashwa, let us take this. There is some test and 25 marks test or some marks test. Ashwa, let us take. In before exam you got 15 and out of 25, and suppose in the present exam 20 suppose. So here we had increase or decrease ratio.
Sir, increase.
Increase. So increase means how much is an increase?
Sir, 5.
So we got that 5 when we did the present marks, that is final marks minus initial marks. This is starting if you consider, this is final if you consider. Final value minus initial value if you do, you will get the increase ratio. Okay.
Yes, sir.
By original means the starting value. When compared with 15, there is an increase of 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So as it is, we should keep. Now increase percent means percentage wise how much it happened increase. If we want to know, means we have to do increase by original into 100. Increase means how much is 5. Okay, increase is 5. By original is how much?
15, sir.
Original is 15 into 100. Like that. Okay. So
Yes,
5
sir.
1 5 3 is 100 by 3. So we can write the answer as mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction for 100 by 3?
33, 1 by 3.
Yes, that is correct. So 33 1 by 3% is the increase in terms of percentage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now decrease percent. Decrease percent means what? Suppose, for example, same situation will take. Here, maybe in your textbook, when you see, they'll give you final value minus initial value by initial into 100 like the textbook. Or final value minus original value by original into 100. I will write simply I by O because I means increase. Increase means anyways you have to do difference of. Okay. Increase
Yes, sir.
means what? Like whatever change that happened when compared with before, that is called increase.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, decrease also. Similarly, decrease also whatever change that happened when compared with before or after, that is decrease. So, for example, let us take in previous test, there is no doubt with increase percent formula. So, increase by original into 100. Original is nothing but the starting value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is one formula. Now, next is decrease percentage. So, same way, now decrease percent, we will get it as decrease by original into 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, decrease, how to find out? Decrease this time reverse. Suppose before it was some student got 20 marks before and now he got 15. Suppose
Yes, sir.
this time decrease happened or increase happened, Yashwa?
Decrease, sir.
So how much is the decrease, Yashwa?
5.
Yes. Originally it was means when decrease happened when compared with the original value was 20 this time. Plus 5 is the decrease when compared with the original value, starting value. No?
Yes, sir.
So now here also same decrease means the only thing difference is starting value, that is original value minus final value will get it here, decrease. But we will not write like that. In the formula, I simply wrote decrease. We will understand it. We should do 20 minus 15.
Yes.
Okay. In the textbook, you may see like that original value minus final value. There is increase percent, final value minus original value by original into 100. That is the difference. But simply I'll write D by O into 100. D means decrease. Decrease, how we will get is when we subtract the original minus final. So for this situation, I show decrease value is 5 value. But original value changed. In both the examples, if you observe in both these examples, actually original like the decrease was same. Their increase and here decrease. But value wise decrease was same. There also 5, here also 5. Means increase also 5 there, here decrease is 5. Then what is the difference? Difference is the denominator. Okay, denominator there, it original value was starting value which is 15. Here original value starting value is 20. Understood, what I'm trying to tell?
Sir.
So now 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 ones are 425. So 25% decrease happened. Compared with that 20, it came to 15 means it is 25% decrease. Means what is the meaning of that is every 100, 25 decrease like that. Suppose before it was 100, now it will become 75. Fine. 25 decrease. Okay.
Yeah.
That's the meaning.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Suppose if in the before question it was increased 20 with 15 then 20 like that. As per that it will. So they deleted extra. So these
Yeah.
are the two formulas. Decrease percent means decrease by original. D by O means decrease by original. Increase percent means increase by original into 100.
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it extra?
Yes, sir.
Now finally I will discuss about the now extra. For example, someone is selling something, we will get few formulas on discount, same like how we got profit percent like that, we'll get some formulas on discount like that also. Okay. So what is this discount and all once we discuss. So here apart from normal percentages ratio, suppose when someone is selling, when any person is selling something, he will, like for example, you might have observed this many times. When you buy something on that, some tax will be there. On that, it is written 1200 rupees. Means on the tax, it will be showing 1200 rupees. But the person might have showed you for 1000 rupees. It's on Naisha.
Yes, sir.
So you might have observed this. So what is this? Means finally he gave it for you 1000, but on that it is written 1200. Means what is that gap? This gap is nothing but discount. He will use the word discount. I gave discount like that. Okay. Need out extra. What I'm trying to tell. So here
No, sir.
this 12, the 1200 that is written on the extra, that is actually called as market price. Okay. What it is called extra? The one that is printed on that or written on that is called as market price.
Yes, sir.
Or sometimes they'll say the he marked it like that also they use marked the value price as that much. Now finally the person sold at 1000. No? So selling price is 1000. Item selling price is 1000. So now discount, how we will get discount is nothing but market price minus selling price. Any doubt, Ishma?
No, sir.
Yes, Ishma. So now, Ishma, here what we can understand is market price is, for example, let us take as per this example, discount is 1200 minus how much, Ishma?
200.
200 is a discount. Now, what we will get other than this discount percent? Discount percentage is same way like how we got profit percent, like profit formula is SP minus CP, like the discount formula is MP minus SP. Now what is profit percent formula is now?
Sir, profit by cost price into 100.
Yes, sir, sure. So here same way here we will get discount by market price into 100. There CP will come, no? Here MP will come. Why MP will come? Because he's giving discount by showing this 1200. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, the denominator market price.
Yes, sir.
So because he'll say that 1200 rupees is a 1000 I'm selling, so finally 200 discount like that. So because of that reason, discount is always compared with the market price. That's the reason why in discount percent formula denominator market price. So this is the formula for the discount percent. So which is discount percent is equal to discount by market price into 100. Okay. So again, discount value, if it is not given, we have to do MP minus SP. So in your book, they might have written there discount place, they'll write MP minus SP by MP into 100. Understood, Yashwant?
Yes, sir.
So this is one formula. And finally, to find out market price and selling price, we'll have two formulas, two more formulas. Like how we have formulas, like for example, SP and 100 gain percentage is given. How we have CP formula and similarly CP and loss percentage SP formulas like that. To find out MP and SP when discount percentage is given, also we have formulas.
Yes, sir.
So here, what the final two form. Now, finally, you should remember one thing, Ishwa, like how before starting of the class, I was asked, profit is called SP minus CP. In this, any of the two is given, we should use this formula only to find out CP eventually. No, we separately don't have formula again separating P plus SP like that. No? Or
Yes,
SP minus,
sir.
like SP minus profit will be CP like that. So similarly here also, we have we SP minus profit is CP like that. We don't have separate formula for that. Similarly here also, from these three things, any of the two things if they give, you can find out the third one. Means if they give you MP as 1200 and discount as 200, SP means there is no separate formula. This only. From this only you should understand. You should use that only you should understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, you have to keep the discount value there, MP value there, and separate SP this side, you will get the answer. Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
So now finally, we'll delete it, Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
So final two formulas will be there, Ishwa. That is to find out selling price. To find out selling price if MP and discount percentage is given. Okay. Same like how we have formulas like 100 SP by 100 plus profit percent like that we have Ishwa. So Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
Like that only we have formulas here for this also. So it is simply the formula is Ishwa 100
Yes, sir.
CP like we have SP is equal to or market price is equal to simply selling price is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. So how to remember also I will tell it easily. So it looks similar to that formula. Which formula? If you remember in that profit loss percentage formulas, we have one CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. You remember.
Yes, sir.
What is SP formula is show there? CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. No?
Yes, sir.
So like that, here SP formula is MP is into 100 minus discount percent by 100. If you compare this and that and SPs, they look similar. So using that, we can remember this. Understood what I'm trying to tell. Both the SP formulas that time this look similar.
Yes, sir.
Actually, in the book, they might give terms here and there like that. They'll give you 100 minus discount by 100 into AP. So to remember in a common way, I generally write these formulas like this.
Yes, sir.
So again, you may not confuse. So finally, similarly, to find out MP, if the selling price and discount percentage is given, how it will be 100 SP by 100 minus discount percent. This looks similar to cost price form. 100 SP by 100 minus profit, 100 minus loss percent, 100 SP by 100 plus profit percent. Like that we have no.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? It's extra. So 100 SP by 100 minus discount percent. Any doubt, Yashwa? These are the two final formulas along with so today I wrote how many formulas, Yashwa? In total, these two and increase percent formula I wrote starting of the class, increase by original into 100 and decrease percent formula I wrote decrease by original into 100, d by o into 100, and I wrote one more formula, which formula? Discount formula. Discount is equal to, this is decrease percent and discount is equal to MP minus SP I wrote, and finally discount percentage is equal to discount by MP into 100. So these are the total formulas in this chapter. Yesterday we wrote few and yesterday's one similarly these two will look. Similarly, discount percent formulas will look similar to loss percent formula or profit percent formula. And increase percent formula also I wrote clearly increase by original. Why original will come in the denominator? I think you understood because they are comparing that to the original percentage with the like how in profit percent formula, loss percent formula, both the denominator CP will come. Like that here, denominator both original value come.
Yes,
Because we are
sir.
comparing it with the original value. That's right. So this is about this formulas. So if you remember these formulas, H1 of word problems, just direct application only. You have to correctly adjust whatever values that are given in the question. You have to write it in the symbols form, that is profit or loss, what the selling price given or mark price given or discount is given, percentage is given. Those values you have to write it in the symbolic form, and then if you write it in a symbolic form, you'll get the idea which formula we should use. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So I'll give you 5 minutes time. Sure, once you learn all the formulas, including this and yesterday's perfectly well. So I think we did till the third question yesterday.
Sir, we did the fourth one also, sir.
Okay, sure. So this fifth one is for market price of a book is rupees 100. The shopkeeper gives the market price is rupees 100. The shopkeeper gives 25% discount on it. 75 is the selling price. So to confirm this, we know the formula, Maheshwar. Market price is given MP. How much? 100. Discount percentage is given. How much? 25. And 75 is the sale price. So to confirm this, now which formula we should use? We have to find out SP. If you get
Sir,
75, that is true.
MP into 100 by discount percent by 100.
Yes, Vishwa, 100 MP by 100, 100 MP by 100 minute discount percent. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vishwa. So 100 into MP is how much? 100 by 100 minus discount percent. 100 minus 25. 75. So if you cut it, I think I wrote formula wrong now, Ishwa. I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ishwa. It is 100 and MP into 100 minus discount percent.
Sir.
MP into 100 minus discount percent, right? by 100. So MP is 100. 100 minus discount percent means 100 minus 25, 75 by 100 will get cut. So we get 7. So answer is 25. So some students will tell the answer directly here for this Aisha, because whenever market price is there, they'll directly do 25% of that. You'll get 25 rupees only. So 100 minus 25 is 75 directly, like that is general way of doing. But that is applicable only when MP is given. If we do when SP is given to find out MP like that, that is wrong. So should be careful. If market price is, since discount percentage is directly calculated on market price, when discount percent 25% of MP if you do, you'll get 25 rupees. So that if you subtract from MP 100 minus 25, 75 will get SP. So that is a general way of doing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then what is the reason they said the price after the original price has been reduced by the discount is known as sale price. The price of the original price minus discount is known as sale price. Original price minus discount. So we know that original price means what extra MP. Sale price is what SP. When you subtract MP minus reduced by means
Sir, discount.
yes, sure. The price after the original price has been reduced by a discount is known as sale price. Actually, discount is called MP minus SP. From this, SP will come this side. D will go that side, MP minus discount. So when you subtract discount from market price, you get selling price.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sure. So this is the price of the this is true. This is also true only. So 25% of market price if you do and subtract it from that. So both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Because this is also talking about the selling price, general without formula also general way of doing if you do, and it is 25% of 100. We do it and we get 25 rupees. If we subtract it from 100, we get 75, which is as per the state. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. And sixth question. So read the question. Shweta.
Rajat spent 35% of his monthly salary and saved the rest at the end of the month. If he saved 32,500 rupees per month, find the monthly salary.
So Shweta, they said that 35% of the monthly salary spent that is spent Shweta, and saved the rest at the end of the month. Means how in terms of percentage, how much did he save Shweta? 35% spent means how much is saved in terms of percent? 35% out of total is 100%.
Yes, sir.
In that
Sir,
35% spent means how much is saved?
sir, he saved. Sir, is my voice audible?
Shweta, how much percent?
Sir, 65% he saved, sir.
Yes, Shweta, that is correct. So now what we do is indirectly 32,500 is nothing but 65% of his income. No?
Yes, sir.
So now how to write the statements? They said spent percent, sixth question, spent percent is equal to 35 means saved percent is equal to 100 minus 35, which is 65. So no, sure.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, when saved percentage is there now, saved percentage is 65. Let total monthly salary, let total monthly salary is X ratio.
Yes, sir.
now what I can do indirectly, it is 65% of X is nothing but this 32,500.
Yes, sir.
So 65 by 100 of X. 65% of the total amount is nothing but 32,500.
Yes, sir.
So now to find out X, 65 by 100 will go that side. Gets reciprocated. So 32,500 into 100 by 65. Any doubt, Ashwa?
No, sir.
So we can cut it. So 5 13s are 5 6 are 30, 2 will be the 25, 5 will be 65. Then 13 ones are 13 5s are 65. 500. So we get X is equal to 500 into 100, which is how much ratio of 500 into 100? Simply we should write zeros, 4 zeros.
Yes, sir.
So total salary is
50,000.
total salary 50,000 as per. So this is about the sixth question. Monthly salary they ask. Now if they ask extra what is spent means 35% of 50,000 we should. 35 by 100 into 50,000. If they ask extra how much is spent also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Ishma?
No, sir.
Okay, sure. So once you read the 7, shall I delete this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. 7th one once you delete it. This is very important model. So 100% means here to understand that 35 means remaining percent. If suppose saved amount is given means saved percentage we require. Saved percentage 65. So total 65% of X is equal to 32,000 like should get that. Students will do like this also. 65 by 100 into 32,000. That is wrong. Simply they'll what is the meaning of that? 65% of total amount is 32,500. So 32,500 should come equal after equal. 65% of total amount. So 65 by 100 into X is equal to 32,500, where X is a total. And so read the 7th question.
Anil's annual salary is rupees 15 lakhs. He got a 20% raise based on his performance. Find out his new salary.
So we can see that annual salary is given Ishwar. He got a 20% raise based on his performance. Find out his new salary. This is the direct one. So 20% raise on this now, Ishwar.
Yes, sir.
So before it was 1,50,000, 15 lakh. So 20% of 15 lakh we'll find out. We'll get the increased amount. So for this, actually, we can do this using increase percent formula, but without formula, we can do this. General understanding. Okay. Originally, the salary was original salary 15 lakh. Okay. Any doubt, Ishwa? Okay.
No,
How much it is raised? Raised percentage is equal to 20. So now what I will do is raised value I am finding out. Raised value. Raised value means how much increase happened. That I'll get it just if you do 20% of 1,50,000. Sorry, 15 lakh. 20 by 100 into 15 lakh. Okay.
yes, sir.
Then 0 cut 0 cut. So you will get 15 into 2 30. Then how many zeros is now? More
Sir,
extra.
4 zeros.
Yes. 4 zeros. Total 30. 3 lakh is the raised value. So now new salary will be how much? New salary is nothing but old salary plus this. Okay. Old salary is how much? Is 15 lakh. plus new salary is 30 lakh, 33 lakhs. Sorry. So 15 plus
18
3 is
lakhs.
rupees. Like that issue. This is one way for this model issue. Another way, there is another way also. Shall I show the other way also issue, whichever is comfortable for you finally that way.
Sir.
So here in second way issue, what we should do is write before, after like that. Before, after. In terms of percentage, you have to take. Suppose before if it is 100, after it will become 120. No, in terms of 20% increase means 20% of 100 is 20. So 100 plus 20 is 100. Suppose if you compare in terms of 100, 120% raise means it's 120.
Yes, sir.
So before if it is 15 lakh, after it is how much? This method I think unitary method kind of cross multiply. 100x is equal to 120 into 4 times. And x is equal to 120 into 15 lakh by 100. 2 zeros cut. So we'll get that 15 into, directly you'll get the final answer 18 lakh. Here in before method, what happened is first we'll get the increased value after doing 20% of 15 lakh. Then we have to add it to the before value, that is original salary, to get the final salary, new salary. But here 100 becomes 120, so 15 lakh will become how much? Like that. Understood, Ishra?
Yes, sir.
We'll get directly the final value in this case. That is new salary. We'll get directly the new salary. Shall I delete this, Ishra?
Yes, sir.
Very comfortable. But the second method, Ishwa, you should understand that both this or this, both the methods should remember that before value, that is original value only should be there. Before value only you can take it as an this only should be there. Because after value is there means that we cannot do this. Means to find out the new thing. Because the reason is this 20% whatever raise is happening, no, that is on the original one. That is the before one, starting. Understood, Ishwa, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Eighth one, Ishwa. Once you read the eighth question,
A shopkeeper sold a shirt for rupees 650 and incurred a loss of 4%. Find the cost price of his t-shirt.
is so shopkeeper sold a share for rupees 650 and incurred a loss of 4%. So Ishwan, now we'll write clearly what is given. Sold a shirt. Sold a shirt means it is SP or CP, Ishwan?
SP.
Yes, Ishwan. So eighth one, clearly it is there is some glitch. So they gave SP sold a shirt for 650. So SP is given as 650. Incurred a loss of 4%. So loss percentage is 4. Find the cost price of the share. CP is equal to share. Direct question is wrong. Can you tell which formula? So you have to write it in the symbolic form, Ishwar. Then only you get the idea which formula we should use. Okay.
Yes, sir.
CP is equal to question mark. So SP is given, loss percentage is given. So formula for CP is
Sir, 100 SP by 100 minus loss percent.
100 SP by 100 minus loss. So you get 100 SP. SP is how much extra? It's 50. Okay, 100 minus loss percentage is 100 minus percent already there in the formula, so we should not write 100 minus 4. So which is 100 into 650 by 96. So quickly find out the valuation. If we cut this 424 is 4 424 is 96, 425 is then 2 12 are 2 3 is 325. Then I think this much only we can do. So 325 into 25 into 325 by 12. So 325 into 25 by 325 into 25 will get it as we got like this in this or 325 into 8125. So we get it as 8125 which is the right mixed fraction. We get 12 7 by x, which is the 72 91 92 12 7 by 84 85 12 7 677 1 by 12 will be write it as mixed fraction. 677 1 by 12.
Yes, sir.
So you got what is the decimal value which you got, Vishnu?
Sir, decimal value I got 677.083. Sir,
Vishnu?
sir 677.083.
Yes, sir. That is, I think that only will come. So if you write this as decimal, we'll get that only. So no doubt, next one. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
This answer 8125 by 12. This you got it, no? Anyway,
Yes, sir.
8125.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9th one. 9th one. Once you read the question, next one, 9th one.
A dealer bought a car for 2.5 lakh and spent 7,500 on its beautification. He sold the car at the profit of 2%. At what price was the car sold?
This is wrong. So Yeshwar dealer brought a car for 2,50,000. So here 9th one again same way Yeshwar will write it clearly what is given in the question. So in terms of symbols Yeshwar. So bought a car. So bought a car means it is CP or SP Yeshwar.
Sir, CP.
This Yeshwar. So CP is 2,50,000. So spent means Yeshwar now this thing on beautification he spent means what this will come under CP only.
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is lagging, sir.
So here final CP will be 2 lakh extra because I'm going to hear me. Hello, Yeshwan, how can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yeshwan. So because 7,500 will be, he is only bearing that 7,500. So because of that reason, that will be added to the actual price of the car, Yeshwan. 2,50,000 plus 7,500, which is 2,57,500. Okay. 2,57,500 rupees. Now we have CP, and then in the next statement they said he sold the car at profit of 12%. So profit percentage is equal to 12. At what price was the car sold? Means what SP they are asking. Now we have CP issue and profit percentage. We have what is the formula for SP when CP and profit percentage is there? SP is equal to
Sir, wrong, sir.
session 9%. So we have SP and SP
Yes,
is equal
sir.
to
Sir, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100.
Yes, Ashwa. We'll quickly substitute the values and we'll tell the answer, Ashwa.
Sir?
We'll quickly substitute the values in the formula and we'll tell the answer.
Yes, sir.
Here, simply CP value is 257,500 into 100 plus profit percent, 100 plus 12. So 112 by 100. So 00 cut, 00 cut. So we get 2575 into 112. So which is 2575 into 112 will be the SP. So ninth question answer is Ashwa. 2575 into 288,400. We wrote Ashwa. You also got, I think, same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashwa, we'll go to the next question. Consolidate the question, Ashwa, 10th one. 10th question, Ashwa.
Yes, sir. The marked price of a ceiling fan is rupees 1240. During the off season, it is sold for 1100. Find the discount and the discount percentage given.
Yes, Ashwa. So here market price is given and 7.5 is. So Ashwa, we can see market price is 400. We'll write it in the form of symbolic form. So shopkeeper allowed a 1.5% discount on. So discount percent is equal to 7.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Find the selling price of the shirt. So SP they are asking Ishwa. Market price is the discount percentage is SP. So we know the formula already. To find out SP, we have to do MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Okay, Ishwa?
Yes, sir.
So MP is how much? 400 into 100 minus discount percent. 100 minus 7.5%. In 7% already there, we have to write it 7.5. Formula into 100. Now we get 100 minus 7.5 will be how much is 100 minus 7.5?
Sir,
92.5. No?
yes, sir. Yes, sir, 92.5.
So 400 into, so we can cut the 100 and 400. Zeros will get cut. So we'll get 4 into 92.5 is the answer. This 4 by the 22. What is that 10? I think 94 is 360. 368. 370 rupees. Esha. So selling price is finally 370 rupees. So you can see, Esha, if you they'll just after reading the question, if you correctly write what it is given in the form of symbolic form, you will get the idea which formula we should use. What is asked? Question mark. Like that, if you just rethink for 1 minute, no, which formula you will get the idea. It's a direct question. Okay, Esha?
Yes, sir.
Most of the time, Esha, in the exam, they'll check the basics on most of the time. So very rare cases they'll give you much complex ones, but most of the time they'll just basic application correctly or applying or not like that. So any doubt in this question, Ishwar? Shall we go to the 12th question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. So once you read the question, Ishwar, 12th one, I deleted that one.
So 12th one.
Yes, Ishwar.
A shopkeeper
It is
bought
again
two.
very important model. Ishwar.
Yes, sir. A shopkeeper bought two radio sets for rupees 7,000 each and sold one at a profit of 10% and the other at a loss of 10%. Find the overall profit or loss.
Yes, Ishwar. So Ishwar, 12th one, if you see, there is some glitch, Ishwar. So Ishwar, here again, shopkeeper brought two radio sets for 7,000 each and sold one at profit percent and another at loss percentage. So we'll clearly, these type of questions, we'll clearly write the information. Radio 1, radio 2. You have to separate clearly and more means what I'm trying to tell is if we should maintain the clarity in the question when we are doing this. Okay. So radio 1, radio 2. Any doubt in this, Ishwa? I just named it two radio sets, no? So no? Hello? Ishwa, can you hear me?
Sir, your voice is lagging, sir.
Hello, Ishwa, now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. So two radio sets are there. So I clearly wrote radio 1, radio 2, and they said clearly that he bought it. Means both of them he bought it at 7,000 only. So CP of this
Yes,
one and
sir.
CP of this one is also 7,000 only. And
Yes.
sold one at profit of 10% and another at loss of 10%. So a profit percent in the first case, first radio profit percentage is there. Second radio loss percentage is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Ishwan?
Yes, sir.
Now what we should do? Find the overall profit or overall loss. Overall profit of selling at loss, it seems, and another is profit, it seems. Finally, whether he had profit or loss, we will know only if we know the selling price of both of them. So, because someone is doing some business, one item he is selling, getting profit, another is loss. But overall, he will check his profit only if we know if we know his both selling prices and we'll add both of them and we compare total CP with total S. Means what? Overall, how much he spent on that item and how much he sold it. If we compare,
Yes,
then
sir.
only we'll know whether finally profit or loss is there. So here, so we clearly wrote the information. So for the first radio, they give CP and profit percent. Using that, what we will do using that, we can find out the SP. So SP of
Yes,
this
sir.
radio, what is the formula? Yeshua, CP, profit percentage is a CP. So CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. Similarly, here also we'll find out SP. This time CP and loss percentage is given. So CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Any doubt, Yeshua?
No, sir.
So here what is the thing is, we have profit percent, we are finding out SP. The loss percentage is there, still we can find out the SP, because the reason is we have the formula to find out clearly when it's CP and profit percent, then CP and loss percent. So I'm substituting the values. Yeshua, now CP is how much? 7,000 into 100 plus profit percent means 100 plus 10. 110, no? By 100. This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to CP is again 7,000 into 100 minus loss percent means 100 minus 10, 90 by 100. Any doubt, Yeshua?
No, sir.
Now we can cut 1010 and 1 more 0. So 700 into 11. How much, Yeshua?
No, sir.
7,700 rupees. So here 005. 700 into 9. How much it is? 9,763. Means we can see clearly we got both the selling prices now. Now can you tell what we should do, Yeshua, now? After this, we got both the selling prices now. In general, suppose because this is general day-to-day life situation, no? we have
Yes,
the
sir.
both we have both the CPs of radios and both the SPs of the radios. Now what we should do is to overall profit or loss we should check now.
Sir, we have to minus it.
Means first before that first we should check total SP.
Yes,
Means
sir.
we sold two items, one net profit, one net loss. So, but overall whether he had profit or loss to know, we will first add total SP. That is total SP means both the items selling price. We will check it and both the items cost price we will check it. Then we will know whether he had profit or loss
Yes, sir.
overall. So what I am doing is now total SP. Total SP means both the radios. If we sell both the radios, what is the SP I am checking? So 7,700 plus 6,300. So which is 7,700 plus 6,300 is
13.
14.
Yes, sir.
How much extra?
Yes, sir.
14,000 rupees. No. Now total
Yes,
CP
sir.
is how much? Total CP first item 7,000 only. Second item also
14,000.
7,000 only.
Sir, so it's neither profit nor loss.
Yes, Yeshwa. So we can see clearly total SP is same as total CP. So when CP and SP matched overall, he will not have any profit also and he will not have any loss also. Individually, individual items when he sold, he had a profit on one and loss on another. But overall, he don't have any profit or loss.
Sir.
No profit, no loss. Suppose here after adding total SP, that could have been more than the CP, total CP, then you would have clearly had a profit overall. Then we know how to find out the profit. That is total SP minus total CP. Similarly, if total SP would have been less than total CP, you will have a loss. How much loss means total CP minus total SP. You get the loss. But here means find the overall profit or loss means there is no profit or loss by as it matches. So Yashwa, this way, if you do it, Yashwa, you will not have any confusion. So you can remember this is very important one. And it may come also, same model will come for 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete this one, Yashwa? One.
Yes, sir. A football team won 60% of the matches. They lost 24. Find the total number of matches.
Okay, Yashwa. So Yashwa, this one is similar to first question or second question. 60% of the matches won, Yashwa. Means how much is the percentage lost?
Sir, 40.
So why we should find out lost percentage? Because they give lost number of matches.
Yes,
That's why.
sir.
So we cannot, the students will do 60% of 20, but that is wrong. 60% of total matches, but yet 60% value is not given. Which percent value is given? 40% value is given. But 24 is 40% value. Okay. So 13th one, let total number of matches be X. Total number of matches is equal to X. Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
So then what we can say is we said 60%, 1%. 1% is 60 means last percentage will be 100 minus 60. 40. So now why did we find out 40? I think you understood, Ishka, because 24 is related to that 40. So number of matches lost is equal to 24. That how we will get number of matches lost? 40% of total matches. If you do, we'll get that lost matches ratio.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
40% means what? 40 by 100. 40% means 40 by 100 of X means of 24. Sorry, of X is equal to 24. So we know how to find out X from here. Right? X is equal to 24 divided by 40 by 100, which will become 24 into 100 by 40. 0, 0, 30. Any doubt, Ishwar? 40 by 100 is multiplied. No, if we go that cell, we'll divide it. 4 1 is 4 6. Any doubt, Ishwar?
No, sir.
The answer is 60 total matches actually. 60 matches are there in total. Shall I delete this, Ishwar?
1 second. Yes, sir, you can do it.
Okay, Ashwa. So, for example, here, Ashwa, if suppose they might have given a football team won 60% of matches, and if they won, can you do the answer for this, Ashwa? 50%. If a football team won 40% of matches, and the number of matches won are 50. Find the total number of matches. 14th one once read it, Ashwa.
The cost of a pair of shoes at a footwear shop was rupees 450. The sales tax ST charged was 5%. Find the bill amount.
So, Ashwa, here cost of a pair of shoes means some they're buying some item. Cost is 450 rupees. Actual cost of the shoes. Now, what did they say is sales tax of 5% was added on it. Means what the person who is buying it will pay some extra amount which is called sales tax. That is how much? 5%. So we'll find out how much is the sales tax amount. Sales tax amount is nothing but 5% of whatever actual cost. As per the question, 5%, no? Okay, actual cost is 450 rupees. So 5% of 450 will find out. 500 into 450. Any doubt, Ishwa?
Yeah, no, sir.
So 5% of 450, that is 5% of the shoes cost. 0 cut, 5 1 is 5 2 is. So we'll get 45 by 2, which is 22.5 rupees extra he has to pay.
Yes, sir.
So now, Ishwa, finally, what we will do is bill amount. Bill amount is equal to 450 actual cost plus
22.5, sir.
22.5. So it is
472.5, sir.
4.5 rupees. So this the amount after adding the that sales tax will be 472.5 rupees.
Yes, sir.
So this is about this chapter of tradition. We need to do few more questions also on percentage.